Hello. Good morning.
Carlo, thank you sa pag-follow. Salamat po. Thanks so much. Wait lang guys ha. Kasi naglalaro ako.
I have to record
She changes her mind. She says the first
I have to record my post and my video here
Nangangasim ako,
for
inaasin ako guys.
this year,
Anong may ipapayo nyo?
January 3,
Hindi na tanong ako ng asin.
2026. This is my first video to thanks to the Lord, thy God give me a challenge of my life, even though there is so many trials and troubles that comes to in our life, but we will still survive. So my post, I want to need a sponsor by this kind of physical therapy. To repair my hands, my feet, my legs. So this is post that I am asking for support and to have a sponsor by these situations of my life. So thank you to all the sponsors that I need help in my life for my ongoing physical therapist because of my situations, my spinal cord affected, my hands and my legs. So I need the sponsors of my life that we can continue life. So thank you very much to the sponsors and to all my friends who view this post. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay lang.